Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the array you'll fold and the callback that runs for each element. Use the callback signature, accumulator, current, index, array, so you control state. Once chosen, decide on initial value. Provide it to avoid edge case behavior when the array is empty. Then write a minimal reducer to return the new accumulator each iteration. For example, add numbers. Make sure to run a quick console log test so you see accumulator. Now implement the middle logic. Decide whether you're reducing to a primitive, object, or array. Set initial value accordingly. For sums, return ACK plus cur. For grouping, mutate a local clone or use. ACK key, cur, and then return it. Make sure you always return the accumulator. Forgetting that breaks the chain. Once done, test edge cases like single-item arrays and different element types so your reducer produces stable, predictable output. To finish, verify the final accumulator matches your intended shape and type. Convert or validate fields as needed. If results differ, add console logs inside the callback to observe ACK and cur each step and check your initial value type. Mismatches cause subtle bugs. Make sure you avoid asynchronous side effects inside asynchronous reduce. When you need async sequencing, chain promises with reduce properly. One key troubleshooting tip: if the output is undefined, you likely failed to return the accumulator in one branch. Fix that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.